Animal Hibernation, written by Michael Gravel, illustrated by Aaron Houston. Animals need food so that they can have energy. They use that energy to move and stay warm. But sometimes food can be hard to find, especially in the winter. So some animals, like groundhogs and squirrels, have found a way to live through the cold winter by saving up their energy. It's called hibernation. Before animals hibernate, they eat as much as they can. Their bodies turn the food into a layer of fat. The fat gives the animals all the energy they need while they're hibernating. Since it takes a lot of energy to move, animals hold very still while they hibernate. In fact, hibernation looks a lot like sleeping. They're not sleeping though. They're very carefully saving energy. Remember how it also takes energy for mammals to stay warm? Well, when most animals hibernate, their body temperatures get very low. Some animals cool off so much that they're almost the same temperature as snow. When the cold weather ends, the animals warm up and start moving and looking for food again.